I'm Philip Buchanan and I'm a New Zealand game developer. So I've been living in Montreal for a while because I worked on AAA mobile titles for Square Enix. And then I left to work on a two-player steampunk puzzle game. And that shipped about 3 or 4 months ago. And now I'm here at Stugan working on my new prototype. So the project is it's brand new, it's a prototype, and it's about taking a small cottage industry, selling some carrots or something beside the side of the road, and then building it into this large political or commercial empire. But it's set in a small town, so it's all about the trivialities of small town life. The neighbours who don't like you, and the mayor who you have to blackmail. Yeah. I want it to be a city builder, but not about big cities. It's a very small and cosy type of simulation. So the core of the game, it's what they call an idle game or an incremental game. And so things always progress. The idea is that things will tick along and you're trying to poke it in the right direction, you sort of push things in the way you want, rather than being the one that's driving all the decisions. It's about reacting to what's happening around you as well. The idea is that you can sort of branch your development as you go along, so it's not only becoming, big commercial seller of carrots, but you can found a religion of carrots. Or you can go into politics, and now, it's law that everyone has to eat carrots. So there's a lot of opportunities for bigger features. On the visual side, I really want to support this idea. It's about small town life, or like looking into a model, and so I'm looking a lot at what they call tilt-shift photography. What this is, it's a way of taking photographs or video of real-life situations, but making it look as though you're filming a small model. And so I use this a lot for my graphical reference. And on the gameplay side, because it's an incremental game, there's a lot of these that I've enjoyed playing in the past. There's the classics, cookie clicker, and then there's universal paper clips, dark room, many of these. So originally I'm actually an electrical engineer, or microprocessor engineering, and I went from that into developing indie games in New Zealand for a small startup. We released a game for the Wii. After developing games for the Wii, I then went on to do a PhD in image processing here in Sweden, in fact down the south in Lund, and then moved to Montreal to work on Hitman Go and Lara Go and Deus Go, which are mobile puzzle games. And then for 4 years in my spare time, I was also developing this two-player cooperative game, 39 Days to Mars, and I quit last year to do that full-time, and that's what led me here. Stugan has been amazing. There's so many interesting creative developers here that obviously I'm in the prototype stage and I'm trying to come up with a lot of ideas, and so every day there are people to have these discussions with about all sorts of incredible creative ideas, and it's been a lot of fun. And it's been 5 weeks and we're still coming up with new ideas and really cool conversations every day. Obviously it's out in the forest and it's near a small town, so every time I walk around or look out the window I get inspiration for the game as well. And then of course it's very relaxing at the same time. We're right beside the lake, we go swimming, there's hiking, a lot of outdoor activities, and mixing that with the inside work on the laptop is a really good combination, I think. So after Stugan, I'm going to head back to Montreal and I'm going to be working full-time on this project. I think it's going to take a while, it's still very early in development, but the idea is to have a solid small prototype and get graphics along with that, and then see where I stand and how long that takes. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to follow my existing projects or follow the development of this project, you can find me on Twitter at Philip Buchanan, or my website is itsanecdotal.com. Thank you very much.